Hello friends, welcome back to Girly Solution. In this video, we will learn how to write an essay on coronavirus. We all know that an essay consists of three main parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Here in this video, I am going to share a simple English essay on coronavirus. Let's go. Coronavirus Introduction. Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, is an infectious disease which causes illness in the respiratory system in the humans. It is the new virus that is impacting the whole world badly as it is spreading primarily through contact with the person. COVID-19 was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. In March 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic. COVID-19 is now a cause of large number of deaths across the world. Till now, no proper drug or vaccine has been developed for treatment of this disease. However, clinical trial and research is being carried on for the development of drug and vaccine. How does COVID-19 spread? It spreads from person to person among those in close contact. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets generated from the cough or sneeze of a COVID-19 patient. Symptoms. COVID-19 symptoms can be very mild to severe. Some people have no symptoms. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and breathing problem. Apart from these symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscle pain, and loss of taste or smell can also be seen in coronavirus patient. Prevention of COVID-19. Number A. Wash hands regularly with soap or sanitizer. Number B. Avoid unnecessary outings on public places. Number C. Maintain a distance of at least 5 to 6 feet from a sick person or if somebody has symptoms. Number D. Maintain proper hygiene and cleanliness. Number E. Cover your nose and mouth while coughing or sneezing. Number F. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. And number Z. Wear mask. Conclusion. Coronavirus is one of the most severe issues that are faced by people around the world. It is necessary that we come out of this situation as early as possible. So people should stay informed and maintain a good hygiene. Together we all can bring an end to this pandemic. This is all about on coronavirus. If you like the video, please do share among your friends and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will meet next time. Bye bye.